So the mirror object lets you mirror objects about a location. So I want to take this catch basin, I actually want the throat to come in on the other side. So for example, I can select these objects using a window selection, and then on the CAD tab use the mirror objects command. It's going to ask me from a from point to a to point, so I can come in here and I say I want to rotate or mirror this about this location and maybe this location, and you can see that now it's flipped it over to the other side. You can delete the source objects, and then when I click apply, you'll see now that I've mirrored that object. Now the manhole's on this side and the intake or the throat, you know, kind of is going in this direction and the box is going in that direction. But basically, depending on how where you pick those objects is how it'll mirror. So if I was to do this and then mirror it, let's say in this direction, just for example, you'll see that now it mirrors it over to the other side. If you uncheck this and mirror it, then it will not delete the source segments. So let's go ahead and select those objects and make sure we pick them all, and then do a from and to, and it mirrors them back to that side, and we can apply and close, and you'll see that it keeps both objects.